Barbie dangerous, but just don't endanger us. You are over, you ain't in range of us. Cause I 1111 angel numbers. Dashes and Burberry rainbow. Looking like every designer fake muse. Front row next to the who's who. Trying to build another Barbie doll screws loose.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Lou. Welcome back to another vlog. If you are new here, I want to say hello, welcome. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are returning, you know I love you so much. Thank you so much for returning, y'all. But today we got something good. We have the first collaboration of the year. I'm super excited, but I'm not gonna talk you to death at the beginning. We're gonna jump right into it. Today we have Kiss. Yeah, I'm too excited to do this wig. First thing that I thought of when I seen this box was the burn book from Mean Girls. Anybody else? Yeah? No? Wig. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Hey y'all, so it's looking like we're starting off with a 22-inch HD straight wig. Let's do this. It's 180 density, HD lace. I'm excited already. Okay, hold on. It already got the curls in it, so it's not straight. Yo, it's already curl wave. And plucked and bleached. Wait, I'm not gonna lie, I was not expecting that. Oh, just saved me so much time. Like, for real. If you know my schedule today, it just saved me all the time in the world. I am impressed. And y'all know how I be feeling about plucked and bleach, because when they say plucked and bleach, it usually don't be all that plucked and bleach. But I gotta get y'all close into this. So hold on. Baby, it ain't much to talk about. We gonna get straight into this install. Listen, child, I was so impressed and excited to put this wig on. I forgot to show y'all what was in the box. So here we go. Alrighty, y'all, so now that I have went ahead and put the HD cap that came in the box on my head, melted that with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation, the one that I always use for all my installs. Y'all know I use number 10 for myself, and I went ahead and put that over, and it completely melted. This is why I recommend, if you're not using HD caps, to use them, because I mean, do we really have to say anything else? Okay, so now I'm going to take this same cream foundation and put it in the inside of my already bleached and plucked Kiss wig. Y'all, I'm still like blew back about this. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And then we're just going to get into putting the wig on. Perfect. Just kidding. I'm crying. Okay. Yeah, Kiss, y'all definitely did y'all thing when it comes to the plucking. Oh, yeah. I've never, now y'all know me. If you've been following me for a while, then y'all know how picky I am when it comes to my installs. And I can honestly, truthfully say that I've never thrown on a wig. Like, woo. And I'm like, oh, unless it was my wig, y'all. In the bounce, it's bouncing in the fit. Okay, y'all, this is going to be good. I feel good already, and all I did was put it on. Okay. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I'm going to glue it down. I'm not going to talk through it. I'm just going to go ahead, get y'all the vibes while I'm applying this wig. But before I go, I want to let you guys know what I'm going to be using. So of course, we're going to use my Ericka J. Love her, love her. And then we'll go from there.
Another Barbie doll screws loose. They my rapper that can channel big pop and push out pop a big hole in my buddy. Every time I come out to walk, bitches make them disappear. But to me, it's just another year. She ain't got the kind of flair. Let me see what I'ma wear. They gon' copy, I'ma wear mine clear. Heavy on the arms, he's sitting from the back, then he asks all this my hair. Yeah. Bitch, your game, pop your shit, face on pretty, and stay thick. Beef with who, she got the right one. All these bad bitches, they got the like none. Kitty on flick, I got the type one. Pink one taking, I got the white one. These fat bitches you like is my son. Still on this rap shit, but I'm still sitting here. You got a lot to prove. Appreciating my solitude. Beef ain't my go-to, but I got bags of this bread for buying food. And I'm still queening. Chanel bags, they still swinging. Old hits, they still swinging. They let it flow, they still streaming. But it's kill season. You apologize, but still treason. Got me steaming like dry cleaning. Move on my timeline, no demon. Closed words, they got no meaning. Cleaning the scrap shit, bohemian. They work nightmare, they still dreaming. Bitches jacking, I'm still cool. And I'm still praying. You would too, if you knew how they jealous bitches move. Verse 22 by 22. They don't know the half till they cracked in two. So far, be where hook, wait, hook. Broke a couple rap niggas' hearts in two. Now that my chat can interview. It's clear to see they wanna be me. Hit the road, EXIT. My flow, they BIT. Shot stone, but IDC. Go home or do it BIG. My dome, they can't SIT. My crown, you can't FIT. I'ma tell you like a nigga told me. Bitch, your game, pop your shit. Face on pretty. Stay thick, beef with who, she got the right one. All these rap bitches, they got the like none. Kitty on flick, I got the type one. Pick one, taking, I got the white one. These fat bitches you like is my sons. Still on this rap shit when I'm done.
And you knew it wouldn't be right if I didn't come in and tell y'all all about the hairspray. Please make sure to reach out to me on Instagram for your melting spray today. again, y'all. Wow. They got me blew away. They got me blew away. So it came as a middle part, and of course it's a frontal, so it can do whatever. But I'm thinking side part because I haven't had one in a while. So we're gonna go side part today. And I wanna, oh my, yeah. I wanna do something like very like classy, soft, natural. So we're gonna get into really just placing everything, and I'm going to add a couple curls in like places, bang part, this part type of things, and but we're gonna do the edges and hot comb everything. Y'all, so far so lavish.
I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me. For me, yeah, oh, for me. Make me lose my breath, make me wanna, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me wanna.
do my makeup so you can get the full look. I'll be right. And just like that, y'all, we complete. When I tell y'all West Kiss is a 12 out of 10, I mean, I love everything. I was blown away. Like, what? Pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and really one of those throw it on and can go. Anybody can put this on. Y'all, go get some of that melting spray. Hold on, I gotta go find it. House of Lavish Fusion Melting Spray. Gotta have it, bro. Hold on. How you? What? Yes. 12 out of 10 West Kids. Thank you so much for trusting me. I love it. Y'all overdid yourself. I went in and put a couple curls in a few places because it started out as the middle part. But I did my edges, melted it. Y'all seen what I did, and I love it. Everybody knows I always say, get my hair because it's some bomb hair and it lasts a long time. Well, baby, West Kiss has definitely made the list because this hair is just gorgeous straight out the box. Y'all, make sure y'all go check them out. Make sure to go ahead and head over to my Instagram, my personal Instagram, Lou__Lee, and my hair page _House of Lavish. Y'all, make sure if you like this video to like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Leave a comment if you want to see more of me and what you want to see more of. And y'all, I'm just too excited to go. Like, I'm ready to go. Thank you so much again. See y'all next week.